Let's see how to work on HTML elements. Taking this example from the System Google Play Search component, what we like to do is, within the template, being able to pass some variables through this input element. So first thing is to identify the element, which is done with this string here, using dash and then a name. And then connect this name to the script, so the script including the template, and you will do it using the ViewChild functionality. So ViewChild, this is the name that we have in the template. Now this is requesting a ViewContainer reference, and we will allocate this HTML element reference to this variable here, input field, so that we can work on it within our class. Next thing that we will have to do is use, in order to push settings, use the renderer service. Also here by including it in the constructor and referencing to a variable for our class called renderer in this example. So now moving down to the code, we notice here how to work on the HTML element by calling it. We have it in our class. Then using element, native element. Tab index is an attribute that we'd like to set. And this is here the way you shouldn't do it. So making it more visible here, this would be working or passing through a value directly to the element. So that's not the most secure way. And what we'd like to do is use the renderer. That's what the renderer is for, make it secure. So we can call the renderer that we have, then the set attribute function, needing the element as a first parameter, then the name of the attribute you want to set, and then the value. So that would be the correct way to write this line.